So as we have already started with our lesson types of houses, we have discussed about the two main types, the pakka house and kacha house, right? We have seen this. If you can see here, the big apartments, pakka houses जिन्हें कोई भी effect नहीं होता है, they are made from cement, wood, iron rod, steels and stones. So even because of any rain, heavy rain or heavy winds, it won't get affected, that house, right? But what about the kacha houses? Kacha houses, they are made up of grass or you can say small stones or mud. So they are not that strong कि कोई भी heavy storm या कुछ आए उनके ऊपर तो वो उतना strongly खड़े रह पाए, right? So today let us discuss about some reasons for diversity in types of houses. Now all the houses, हर कोई region में अलग अलग houses होते हैं, तो सारे houses तो same नहीं होते हैं, right? They all houses are not same. There are different types of houses. Some are made up of woods, some are made up of stones, some are made up of cement and other materials, right? So why is this happening? Because हर एक region में, इंडिया में इतने सारे states से, हर एक state में climate अलग होता है. Climatic conditions हो, weather हो, everything is different. Few places are very hot, few places are very cold, extreme cold, few places are covered with ice. So accordingly houses changed, right? तो houses उसी तरह से construct किए जाते हैं. So first one we will see the climatic condition of the place. Now people make houses with the suit the climate of that area. For example, in areas with heavy rainfall, houses have sloping roofs. The rainwater can drain easily from such roofs. तो फर्स्ट इज़ द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस के ऊपर जो डिपेंड होते हैं. इफ़ देर इज़ अ प्लेस जहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा बारिश होती है, राइट? इफ़ एक प्लेस पे बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है तो वहाँ पे हाउसेस क्या होते हैं, उनको एक स्लोप दिया जाता है. सो क्या होगा, बारिश का पानी पूरा स्लोप से नीचे जाएगा, वहाँ पे पानी स्टोर नहीं होगा एंड इट विल गेट drained because of the slope. Second is stilt house. Now what are the stilt house? Are also found in places of heavy rainfall. They are commonly seen alongside rivers. These houses are made up of bamboo. If you can see stilt house का वहाँ पे image दिया है in the corner. So that houses are made up of wood, okay, bamboos. So they are built at a height. So एक हाइट पे उन्हें बिल्ड किया जाता है फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड टू प्रिवेंट वाटर फ्रॉम एंटरिंग द हाउसेस. और एल्स व्हाट विल हैपन इफ दिस हाउसेस आर नियर द रिवर साइड, ओके, रिवर साइड जो लोग रहते हैं उनके हाउसेस स्पेशली ऐसे हाइट पे होते हैं, सो दैट ऑल द रेन वाटर और द रिवर वाटर शुड नॉट एंटर देयर हाउसेस, राइट? Then we have in extremely cold regions people build dome shaped house. You know dome shape? So you can see the igloo given over here. So in extremely cold regions, people build dome-shaped houses using blocks of snow. The dome shape helps to keep it warm inside. These houses are called igloos. So this dome shape, it protects them and it keeps them warm inside. If the students or if the people live in that igloo, so they will feel warm inside. Because you can see in the picture it is covered with ice, everywhere is ice, so the region is very very extremely cold. तो वहाँ पे dome shape के houses होते हैं. Second is lifestyle of the people. First one we discussed about the climatic conditions, okay, climatic conditions को लेके different houses होते हैं. Second is the lifestyle of people. Now you can know according to their lifestyle people need their different types of houses. So few people with their lifestyle, if they are living in rural areas, in villages, so they are okay with small houses, one room house. If you are living in city areas and if you have a big family member, a big family, if you have a large family, you will need a big house with lot of rooms, right, and all the luxuries. So what happens in villages, people build houses to suit their farming needs. These houses may have some special areas such as cattle shed, storage places for grains and so on. So in villages what happens, people mostly have cattle sheds अलग से बांधे होते हैं जहाँ पे कैटल्स को रखा जाता है, कुछ अलग से स्टोरेज रूम्स बनाए जाते हैं जहाँ पे हम फूड ग्रेन्स को रख पाएंगे स्टोर करके, राइट? Similarly in the cities the lifestyle is different, so people live in flats, right? So moreover in the cities there is less land available to build houses, so multi-stored buildings with many flats are common in cities. So what happens in villages, if you see, you can find a lot of open space, you can find open space everywhere, but in cities you will not see such open spaces, right? So हर एक कोई अलग अलग घर तो नहीं बांध सकता ना, so उसके लिए क्या होता है, वहाँ पे बड़े बड़े मल्टी स्टोर्ड बिल्डिंग्स होते हैं, तो एक ही बिल्डिंग में बहुत सारे फ्लैट्स होते हैं. सो एट अ टाइम एक प्लेस पे बहुत लोग रह सकते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दिस मल्टी स्टोर्ड बिल्डिंग्स. Then some people wander from place to place in search of their livelihood. They are called nomads. This people live in tents. आप देख सकते हो, आपने देखे भी होंगे कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनको अपने काम के सर्च में वन प्लेस टू अदर प्लेस घूमना पड़ता है, उन्हें कहा जाता है नोमाड्स. तो ये नोमाड्स होते हैं अपने साथ, उनके साथ कुछ उनके एनिमल्स भी होते हैं, हॉर्सेस, कैमल्स और यू कैन सी डोंकीज ऑल्सो. सो देर आर फ्यू एनिमल्स जो अपने साथ वो क्या अपना पूरा लोड जो है वो कैरी करते हैं, और कोई भी ओपन स्पेस पे वो अपना टेंट बांध के वो वहाँ पे रहते हैं, राइट. देन यू मस्ट हैव सीन ट्री हाउसेस. ट्री हाउसेस आर बिल्ड बाय द पीपल लिविंग इन फॉरेस्ट एंड जंगल. तो जो जंगल और फॉरेस्ट में जो लोग रहते हैं वो ट्री हाउसेस बांधते हैं. सो दे गिव प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. वी कैन फाइंड हाउस बोट्स. हाउस बोट्स भी कुछ होते हैं. हाउस बोट्स इन प्लेसेस हैव मैनी lakes and rivers. A houseboat is a boat which is designed to be used at home. तो हाउस बोट जो होती है वो मोस्टली एक बोट में हाउस बनाया जाता है, राइट. सो दैट्स वाई द नेम इज गिवन हाउस बोट. सो हाउस इट इज बीन बिल्ड इन द boat itself. So we can find houseboats in places having many lakes and rivers. A houseboat is a boat which is designed to be used as home. One more we have missed. It is a caravans. So groups of people traveling together use houses on wheels called caravans. Now people, if they are traveling from one place to another, if they love, so there are few houses which are called as caravans, and these caravans are, they have wheels, so they can move from one place to another, they can travel from one place to another. So a caravan may be pulled by an animal, a car or a truck. Okay, next we have given building big houses needs a lot of money, right. So sometimes people may not have enough money to build them, so they construct smaller houses. You have learned about some reasons behind a diversity in houses. Do all people have houses to live? No, all people don't. You can see people using public places as shelter. So आप देख सकते हैं रोड पे भी बहुत से लोग रहते हैं. So there are some people who cannot afford have house. So what they do, you must have seen home